What's up everybody, and welcome to the new Jimny channel. In today's video we're taking an epic journey to the highlands of Iceland, and on this trip I had my uncle and my best friend and in-law who came all the way from Norway, and he had never been to the highlands of Iceland. So I planned the route very carefully because this area is probably, well, it's all beautiful here in Iceland, but this is Landmannalaugar, which is a moon-like or another planet-like scenery. The trip took about 16 hours. We came back home late, very late. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and here we go. Silverfoss is a 60-meter waterfall located on the south coast of Iceland, very near the town Hvolsvöllur. Usually it's a very busy tourist place, but the day we were there, we were completely alone. An amazing place to visit. Holos is a very popular destination for people traveling to the highlands. You can get accommodations there and take short walks to this beautiful waterfall called Silverfoss. It's a very beautiful place to visit, and I urge everybody that come to Iceland to visit this place. It's by the entrance to the highlands. On our way, we needed to pass this river. It's called Nyrðri Ófæra, and it can be very hazardous for regular cars. Basically, I do not recommend that driving and crossing this river unless you have a modified 4x4. But if you're able to pass this river, the route that follows is well worth driving. have reached a place which has a very special place in my heart. The name of the place is Skælingar. The reason why it's very special is because the lava has formed a very spectacular rock formations. Basically, the pictures don't do it justice. You have to go there and see it with your own eyes. It's just an amazing place to visit. And the hut is from centuries ago, basically. It has rock walls and turf walls, and inside it's very cozy. Have to visit this place. This place is called Lagoon, or Wet Lagoon. Pretty special place for one reason. The road is in the lake, or the lagoon. You can't drive on the right side, you have to drive in the lagoon. Now that can be a dangerous game because you have to drive near the banks the whole time you drive in the water. You can't go too deep. If you do that, this is what can happen. This is back in 2011, where a bus drove a little bit too much into the lagoon and it basically fell off a cliff. I took a drone shot, and as this picture shows very clearly, you can see on the left side there, and that is quite a drop. Now we have come to yet another mystical place. This place is called Langisjór. The peak on the right side is called Sveinstindur, or Sven's Peak. And as you can see on this drone shot, this is a scene from the movie Oblivion. This is where the movie was shot, basically. And this is an exceptionally beautiful place. And hiking up Sven's Mountain and seeing the view from the top there is one of a kind. Okay, yet another special place is this place. This place is called Broadback, not Brokeback, Broadback. And it is the highest mountain road in Iceland, 3,300 feet. And the panoramic view from up there is just beautiful. Seeing it with your own eyes and also flying the drone makes it even more special. Let's see the panoramic shot. Enjoy. Okay, so we have reached our final destination in our journey, which is Landmannalaugar. As you can see on this shot here, we are alone there. Usually this place is just packed with people all year round, but right there, nobody was. This is a geothermal pool, which is heated by the hot water running underneath from the lava there, and it's cooled down with cold water. Now the panoramic view, we were there late in the afternoon, so the sun was setting, and I got some really cool drone shots. And just watch this. Enjoy. We did not want to leave this place, but we were playing in the rivers a little bit before we headed back home. I got some really cool shots of the sunset. It was actually like in a painting, or actually this area is like a painting. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. I'll be making more videos in the future, and I want to thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video. See you later.